Well, good morning, friends. We woke up here at the Choice Inn. Well, I don't know if we really woke up. I don't think we really ever went to sleep. It's kind of like sleeping on a rock next to a train track. So anyway, we're going to go find coffee and breakfast tacos and try to find that little lake this morning. So we thought we'd take you along. Well, it looks like our best breakfast opportunity is going to be this food truck called the Spicy Burrito. Alright, let's see what they have to offer here at the old SB.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her mind again.
Alright, so what'd you order?
2 meatless burritos.
So,
Potatoes, egg, and cheese.
yum, that sounds good. And did they have coffee?
They have Mexican Cokes and Fanta.
Alright.
I don't even know what flavor Fanta.
I don't think it matters. Alright, we'll go find coffee next.
Thank goodness.
Alright, well, we found the park and the geese found us. I don't know if they want some of my breakfast burrito, but they can't have it. Well, that's a whole lot of breakfast taco right there. Alright, dig in.
You're in that camera.
I know.
Tastes like good.
Alright, cool. What are you, little dude? You're cute. Alright, so what's your take on these breakfast tacos?
Well, I think they were a little eggy. Too much egg and not enough potato and cheese.
I'm going to put it one notch above Taco Villa
Yeah.
and one notch below the stale Taco Casa. Not very flavorful, can't finish it.
Not much flavor at all.
No.
The take on the hot sauce?
Yeah.
Again, too much like a Tabasco sauce, not enough like a, in my opinion, Mexican hot sauce.
Right. Alright, so we'll catch you at lunchtime.
Eat our way through New
Eat our way
Mexico.
through New Mexico. Alright, so we decided to give up on Clovis and we came 19 miles down the road to a little town called Portales. We found the train track. So we're going to see if we can find a motel room that isn't anywhere near this train track. It's a lot like every other eastern New Mexico town. Alright, we made it to Portales and we are at the Sands Inn. Let's see if this room is any better than the last one. It's already got one thing on them. It's got curtains in the window, so I'm pretty excited about that. Alright, no nasty carpet, yay. Furniture looks to be in a little bit better shape. Oh, and a phone on the wall. Yay, curtains. Alright, the curtains have paint all over them, but that must mean they painted recently, or at some point. Yep, this is what 60 bucks will get you. Yep, so a coffee maker without a coffee pot. But you get coffee cups here and coffee.
2 coffees.
Awesome.
Yes.
We'll see about that TV later. Yep, we know how to pick them. Alright, we're going to go to the taco box for dinner in a little bit, so we'll bring you along. This will probably be our last taco of the trip, unless we do breakfast burritos again in the morning.
Probably.
Probably. So you gonna get us some tacos?
I think it's about 400 feet from here.
To the taco box? Alright.
20 will get it?
I think 20 will get 4 tacos. We're gonna get 4 tacos, y'all. Big spenders.
So time me.
Alright.
5:07. Bye.
Godspeed. Awesome. 8 minutes.
Go ahead, it's a record. Napkins.
No, napkins are good.
Oh, prepackaged hot sauce.
Okay. Well, it's packaged in Clovis, New Mexico.
Well, look at that. Just up the street.
Local. All right, so we got chicken soft tacos,
Yes.
just for something different. Oh yeah, that doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
Alright, and then we got beef crunchy tacos, just so we can equally compare and contrast with the others.
Well,
Alright, well, no shortage of lettuce.
no tomatoes. You should like that.
Alright, let's try it.
Okay. Oh, mine's cracked.
Oh no.
Sad taco.
Alright, well.
This one didn't have anything to it.
That's what you think. I always ask you questions when you have a mouthful of food.
No, it's a taco.
It's a taco? Alright. It's a taco. Oh man, my shell cracked too, so.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
That is hot salsa.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Well, it said on the outside of the package that it was.
It leaves a little burn on the old lips.
Oh wow. Yum.
Mm-hmm. If you like that sort of thing.
Well, you put it on your taco. I hope you like it.
I do. That's enough. No, really. That's enough.
I know that crunchy taco was pretty good, so we're gonna have to give Taco Box pretty high score actually. Yep, we're gonna have to put them in the running with Del Taco.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, I think Del is still just a little bit higher,
I agree with that.
but this one took a solid second place. Right. Only one more day of this road trip. I don't know how many more tacos we can eat, but our friend Tammy did recommend that we could have taco pizza or a taco salad, but I don't know if that's really cheating. So, I mean, you have to compare crispy taco to crispy taco, right? Anyway, all right. See you tomorrow for day 3. All right, this is our last taco lunch. We're at a place called Jacksboro, Texas, and these came from a little restaurant called Dairyland right across the street. We found this shady little park to enjoy our tacos. All right, let's try them out. Huh. So it's just a little, that's different.
This is a boat of
A
tacos.
boat of tacos. Is it the best taco yet?
It might be the best taco yet.
Awesome.
That's good.
Oh yeah, this is nice and greasy. It's gonna be good. Dairyland for the win. I guess that really makes sense though. It's the only place that we've eaten that isn't some sort of a chain. So, yum.
It really is the best salsa. It's got cilantro and tomatoes, and it's yummy, and I'm taking the extra home with me.
It doesn't taste like Tabasco, huh?
No, it tastes like salsa.
Yay. And on another note, these were the least expensive tacos as well. They were $1.50 a piece. I'm impressed. And I don't know if I'd drive all the way back to Jacksboro just for tacos, but these are pretty good. All right, well, it is time to head on home. It's been a fun taco weekend. Don't know that we'll do it again. I think next time we'll do barbecue. Anyway, thanks so much for watching and joining us on this silly little adventure. Y'all stay lost, my friends. I don't stay in hotel rooms very often. I don't know how this works. How does this work? I don't know how to work it. Huh.